Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with HTML. First thing, I want you to subscribe my channel. Second thing, I can assure that 100% you learn HTML. Okay guys, then let's move on HTML. What is HTML? So I'm going to provide you 5 seconds to think what it is. What is HTML? Okay, your 5 seconds ends up here. HTML is a hypertext markup language. As many thoughts is the markup language. It's not a programming language. So I have seen many people when they are new learners, they think it's a programming language. No, it's a markup language. What do you mean by markup language? Do you have any idea? Anybody? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Starts now. Okay, your 5 seconds ends up now. It's a markup language stance. It's defined. I mean to say, it's a form of tag. The structure, the format will be in a form of tag. It's not like C programming, not like Python programming, not like Java, JavaScript. It's all the syntax are in the form of tag. That is called markup language. So later you will learn what is tag. I'm going to discuss in next session about tags. In this session I'm just talk about the overview of HTML. First thing, I want you to install any kind of editor whichever you would like Microsoft provide you the default editor, Notepad. Even you can download from internet as a Notepad++ which support multiple languages, but I am using Visual Studio. If you'd like to use Visual Studio, hands up to you guys, you can use Visual Studio as well. Okay, and let me go and tell you, Tim Berners-Lee was the father of who created the HTML, hypertext markup language, in 1991. So it is used for web develop. It is used for web develop. Can you repeat why the HTML is used? It is used for web develop. Okay, and one more thing, web browser can read HTML files and compose them into a visual or audible web. Okay, this HTML do, and we just don't go deeply what is HTML. We just learn. I'll just provide you the concept of HTML. It's a markup language. One thing we have understand, it's a markup language. Okay, it's a markup language. Just a minute, I'm getting trouble here. Just a minute guys, sorry for this trouble. Okay, so HTML, we were discussing about HTML. Okay, let's move on version. Okay, HTML, it was released on 1991. Later on HTML 2.0 in 1995, HTML 3.2 1997, HTML 4.01 1999, XHTML 2000, HTML5 2012, which is latest version. HTML5 is the latest version. Okay, I'll just write down here HTML version. Okay, HTML is the first version which published on 1991. Okay, I'll do one thing to make understand. I'll just write down version. Okay, I'll just write down version HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, HTML 4.01, HTML 2000, and HTML5 2000. Sorry, HTML5. Okay, sorry for this one. Okay, so this is the version of HTML, and let me tell you, and here year when it was published. So HTML, this is when initial state, it was on 1991. HTML 2.0 was in 1995 and HTML 3.2 as 1997. Okay, and HTML 4.01 is 1999. Okay, sorry. Next HTML, this is just HTML from this. Okay, now next is 2012, which we are gonna use this one, 2012 HTML5. Okay, we have a lot of things to learn, but now let's recap. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was created by Berners-Lee in later 1991, which is the most widely used language in web to develop web pages. Okay, that's what HTML defines, and here are the HTML version as I have written, so you can write down. So it's as also we have discussed two things. You can use text editor, any kind of like Notepad, but I'm using Visual Studio. So guys, it's an easy thing. You can download Visual Studio from Google and install it. Okay, it's an easy thing, and that's all the overview of HTML. And really we are gonna rock in the next HTML session, because we are gonna have a lot of kind of practice in next session. So what is all about HTML, so how it works in web browser. Okay guys, kindly request you to subscribe my channel. Definitely I give you my word, I'm gonna teach you well, and I'm gonna make you perfect in HTML. Thank you, have a good day, bye.